Come with me on day 3 of learning chainsaw carving. I've actually worked on this log for 2 days using my chainsaw, and now I'm trying to get into a little more detail with my grinder. So we'll start there, cut out some more features so he could be just more woody. Here we go.
All right, these glasses suck. I need some music. I need more light. Okay, I think that's enough that I could do with this guy. I don't know if you can understand anything I'm saying, but I'm gonna keep talking. I'm gonna see what the palm sander does and if it makes it look any prettier. I don't know, we'll try it. And if not, we'll stop for the day and do the next day. All right, I think that's about it.
Don't, oh, he's dropping them. Okay, there he is. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next. I was thinking burn some of his hairs, his beard, stash, eyebrows, and then put a nice coat over it, a little lacquer, a little protector, and maybe even throw in some like highlights, give him some yellow, blonde highlights, pink, so we can match. Make him like a sun man. What should I name him? Let me know in the comments. Stick around and follow if you want to see me learn how to chainsaw carve one day at a time.